What's up everyone? I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I finally got my Jeffree Star mystery box in the mail. I know it took a super long time, but it had nothing to do with Jeffree Star. I had ordered this when I was at my sister's house and I didn't have a new address, so she had to wait till I got my address and after the holidays, so it's just taken so long to get here, and I just got it in the mail today and I have been super excited. I actually did not cheat this time and did not open it. If you don't know, Jeffree Star for Black Friday had 3 different mystery boxes. He had a small one, a medium, and a large one. And I believe this one was $175. I was going to get the medium one, but my husband was like, no, just get the large one. Just, you know. So this is huge. It doesn't even really fit in my camera. But in the medium boxes and the large boxes, you had a clothing option, so you had to give them your size. I did cheat a little bit and I did look at other people's and I saw that a lot of people's were the same. So I'm hoping that mine isn't the same and it's actually products that I will use, but we shall see. So anyways, if you would like to see a very raw unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery box, then please just keep on watching. So we're going to do this first impression on camera together. Hopefully you didn't just see my address, but it comes with pink tissue paper. Oh Lord. And all of this stuff. So let's unbox. Ooh, it looks like some good stuff. So the first thing, it was an exclusive item, which is a Jeffree Star pop socket. I'm not sure if I'll use it because I do have a case on my phone, but maybe. I'm not sure. I've never used one before. And right off the bat, I have 3 highlighters. Not sure if I'm going to even use the colors. So this is a Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Mint Condition, which is green. I'm not sure if I'll use it as a highlighter just because it is green unless I'm doing some crazy look. I could use it as an eyeshadow or I could use it as an inner corner highlight. So this is the shade Mint Condition. And then I did get another Skin Frost in the shade King Tut, and I know that this one is a gold one. So this one kind of almost reminds me of the one of him and Manny MUA, but maybe a little bit deeper because I haven't honestly touched that one in a while. If I'm looking that way a little bit, it's because I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus and I don't have any mirrors in front of me, so that's the only thing that I can see. This one is actually wearable and I definitely will wear this, especially in summer months or even like right now. By the way, if you want to know how I got this look or what I'm wearing, I will leave it in the description box down below. It is trying out the Fenty concealer and powder. Also, if you didn't know, his brand is cruelty-free and vegan, and Jeffree Star makes some of the best liquid lipsticks. They're absolutely my favorite. And this is a Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in the shade Frozen Peach. I don't think I've ever seen this shade. This is the cute packaging. Oh, this is super wearable. This is super weird. If I'm not mistaken, this one is the one that you can like drop and it doesn't break, but I'm not going to try that out. So one of the things in here that I got is a lip scrub, and this one is in grape soda. A funny story about his lip scrubs is my niece, when I was home for 3.5 months, I let her try a lip scrub because I was like, hey, come here, smell this. TT, that smells good. And then I let her put it on her lips and I said, lick it. It tastes really good. I think I have I have pink lemonade. Yeah, pink lemonade. And then every day after I got out of the shower and like brushed my teeth, she's like, Titi, can I have some of that sugar stuff? And then one day I came out the bathroom and I saw her with it and she literally had an indent and was eating a big glob of it. I literally unscrewed this like this and I can smell it. It's in grape soda. Smells like grape soda. And it tastes like grape soda. It's actually really good, and I'm not a huge fan of grape things, but it's really good. His lip scrubs are edible if you think I'm crazy that I just licked it. So this is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Baby Daddy. And then I got another liquid lipstick in the shade Flamethrower, which I believe is like a reddish orange. Actually, it is more of an orange than anything. And then the next liquid lipstick is in the shade Diamond. I don't really know what shade this is. Oh, purplish blue. I don't know how we could, that'd be something pretty cool to use for Valentine's Day, and I plan on doing a Valentine's Day look super soon, so that's something to definitely keep in mind. Got a lip ammunition in Unicorn Blood. I have the Velour liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood, so I don't think that I have this. No, the only bullet lipstick that I have, the only lip ammunition that I have is the sparkly one. So this is Unicorn Blood, and Unicorn Blood is a super delicious dark red shade. Oh, this is a newer one. Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Can't Relate. Ooh. This looks super light, but I might be able to do like an ombre lip with it, and even I will try it on because some lighter nudes can look light in the bottle, but so it looks light, but I might be able to actually pull that off. And then the next thing in the box is a Jeffree Star t-shirt. I did put my size in as medium because I didn't know if the stuff shrunk in the dryer or not. I got this one right here. I was hoping to get one that just had a logo, but this is cool too. Jeffree Star t-shirt in medium. It's actually super soft and really, really comfortable quality. And then the next thing that I got is a sweatshirt. Jeffree Star sweatshirt. I never purchased any like clothing from him, so this is cool. And it's black, and the stitching is all pink. And that's the sweatshirt. And it has a hood on the inside. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. Oh, I wish the inside was aligned with this. It's like velvet, but not as... I can't stand the feeling of velvet, but this is like a super soft material. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. And then the last thing in the box is this, and this is a mirror. Let me see what shade. Maybe it's red because it has a red sticker. I was right, red sticker, red mirror. How cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I've never had a mirror like this, and that's really awesome. I actually really do like this. So overall in the box I received one Velour liquid lipstick, one pop socket, 2 items of clothing, 3 highlighters, and 5 lipsticks, as well as 1 mirror. Let me go ahead and add that up, and let's see how much it is. So online they don't have the pop socket, and they also don't have the sweatshirt and the t-shirt, so I just went off of what other t-shirts were priced as well as what other sweatshirts were priced as. So let me put all of this together. So if I'm doing this right, the box is actually, the whole total comes up to $287, and I paid $100 less than that. Alright guys, so I just checked his Instagram, and the original total of the box was $175, and it said the savings was $140, and when I calculated that altogether, the box was $315, so I don't remember calculating in the pop socket. I think that this is a really good deal, especially because I got a lot of the products that I will use. Like, a lot of them I really will use. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I do know that, pretty sure he's coming out with more mystery boxes. I don't know if I'm going to get the ultimate one again, or if I'll just get a smaller or medium box, or if I'm going to get one at all, just because I have a lot of his stuff and I'd rather choose shades that I don't already have. I really do like the fact that I got shades that I don't have, except for Unicorn Blood, but I don't have it in a lip ammunition, so that's awesome. And I only have one of his Skin Frost, which is him and Manu MUA's collab, and then I have his highlighting palette, so that's pretty cool. I have 2 Skin Frost and 1 Supreme Frost, and I'm pretty excited to use the sweatshirt and the t-shirt. It's super cozy, super comfy, and again, I will use the mirror as well. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you haven't already. Be sure to check out my description box. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one.